The sacral chakra reminds me a lot of changes of seasons. As we head into fall, you see the trees and all of the foliage in your area change into yellow and orangish tones. The stones in this chakra are also in the yellow-red family with a few variations. This chakra is very important because it is connected with your sense of creativity, sexuality and reproduction, and also our emotional states. It also tends to develop confidence and personal power with the abundance of money and prosperity. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some bracelet designs and give you some ideas of which stones you can use for which ones. First up is carnelian. Carnelian has the properties to enhance self-esteem. It's also good to wear for combating negativity and self-doubt, bringing what? Confidence. Next up is sunstone. I call this, as we know, the stone of joy. Sunstone is great for promoting positivity as well, and of course, as it is connected with the brightness and the warmness of the sun, makes it a calming and nurturing stone to wear and keep very close to you in the skin. And this one here is moonstone, which is that one of the variations that I was talking to you about earlier in the video. It signifies new beginnings. Linked to the energy of the moon, you can see it's got a clear coat, and some of them are a little bit more mystical, I guess, as you can call it. It's to keep our decisions simple and accurate. It provides clarities in situations where you're questioning a decision. It also strengthens along the path of a new beginning, and so new growth, inner and outer, and strength, at the same time keeping us calm and balanced. And now let's make a bracelet with one of my favorite stones for this chakra, which is the fire agate, and you'll see why it's absolutely stunning. And because of its vibrant color, it brings out energy and gives you a pump, like a zest for living, I guess you could call it. It's said to be one's inner fire, so it brings about that creativity and that will. It also helps us focus on a single purpose in life and increases your happiness and joy in just the everyday things.